LP3 College Banda Aceh, majoring in Application Software Engineering.
I have the following skill: able to work using Microsoft Office, able to assemble PC, able to design UI UX using Figma, able to design poster, brochure, banner using CorelDRAW and Photoshop, understand web programming and mobile programming using Visual Studio Code, and understand design and data analysis system. I interned as a computer lab assistant at LP3 College Banda Aceh for about 6 months.
My hobby is photography, listening to music, and watching movie. From this hobby, I can understand English. Hello, my name is Kanya Neglamungkaz. I'm 19 years old and Korean. 안녕하세요. 저는 Kanya Neglamungkaz입니다. 제가 19살이에요. That's all about me. For more information, you can